Today, I will be discussing about the future world tourism and hospitality issues. First is safety and security in tourism and hospitality. The first issue of universal concern is the relationship of tourism and hospitality to terrorism, or in the larger context, to safety and security. The terrorist attack in the United States on September 11, 2001 paved the way for the adoption of international and national policies to counteract the impact of terrorism. The result of this tragic event encouraged many countries to act together to combat the devastating effects of terrorism. There has been increased awareness regarding the vulnerability of the tourism and hospitality industry to the challenges of world events. The peak of tourism activity occurred in the early 1990s. In 1993, the U.S. government and the private tourism and hospitality sectors developed an action plan to help travelers have a safer and more enjoyable travel experience. Between 1990 to 2006, there have been 264 terrorist attacks which targeted tourism in 42 countries. Egypt, Turkey, France, and Spain have the highest number of terrorist attacks during the past 3 decades. Crimes against terrorists such as robbery, murder, and kidnapping are also important concerns for destination planners. In order to manage visitors' safety and security and preserve the image of the destination, the South African government has created a national tourism safety network composed of travel-related organizations. The impact of the world's economy on tourism and hospitality. The world economy has a major impact on the future of international travel. With a flourishing world economy, more people will have the financial means to travel. According to the U.S. Census Bureau World Clap projection, the present world population is more than 6.5 billion. China, India, the United States, Indonesia, and Brazil are the five most populous countries. If the economies of these five countries will improve, tourism and hospitality will grow. Research shows that tourism and hospitality is a useful tool for economic development that can be used to alleviate poverty. The top three receiving regions are Europe, 717 million tourists, East Asia and the Pacific, 397 million, and the Americas, 282 million, followed by Africa, the Middle East, and South Asia. East Asia and the Pacific, South Asia, the Middle East, and Africa are forecast to record growth at over 5% a year, compared to the world average of 4.1%. Managing sustainable tourism in a responsible manner. The third tourism issue is managing sustainable tourism in a responsible manner. Measures to advocate tourism agencies, host communities, and travelers about sustainable tourism must be continued as the world population increases. Sustainable tourism has been a major concern for destination planning as well as regional and national policy making in the last decade. In the last 3 years, there have been more books written about sustainable tourism than there were 25 years ago. Tourism policy and strategic planning is the fourth major world tourism and hospitality issue. Collier and Richier states that good policy and sound planning need to be conducted to ensure that a destination will be both competitive and sustainable. While policies show the big picture and plans contain the details, both deal with future development of tourism. Using e-commerce stalls in tourism and hospitality. The fifth world tourism and hospitality issue is the use of e-commerce stalls in tourism and hospitality. More than 50% of travelers in US use the internet in planning their travel and vacations. The number of internet users around the world was estimated to be 747 million in 2007, a 10% increase from 2006. The growth was due to the expanding economies of India, 33%, Russia, 21%, and China, 20%. Online travel revenues were expected to reach 2 billion US dollars by 2010. Since a large part of tourism and hospitality is marketing, tourism and hospitality promoters who are technically knowledgeable about interactive marketing will have competitive advantage over less skilled competitors. The emerging e-commerce stalls are weblogs, podcasts, and internet marketing, tourism and hospitality education and training. The sixth major issue. Several innovations are taking place in some universities. The University of the Balearic Islands in Majorca, Spain has a master and in tourism and environmental economics. More than 50 visiting professors from different countries teach in the program. New trends include the collaboration between tourism agencies and educators of tourism colleges and universities to address the changing needs of the tourism and hospitality industry. A good example is the collaboration between the business enterprises for sustainable travel with the education network. Other important current and future trends in tourism and hospitality education and training are closely related to globalization and political stability. Bremer 2006 states, openness enables change. Change is an essential ingredient in growth and prosperity.